In this video, I will show you how to delete old update files in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Get started, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom and you just want to go ahead and right click onto the Windows Start icon. Now what it's going to do is launch this menu, and from here you want to click onto File Explorer, and once your File Explorer is opened, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side and you just want to look for this PC, it's generally towards the bottom, so if you just scroll down you can see this PC here. Give that a click. Then what you want to do is double click onto the drive where Windows is installed. Generally this is going to be your C drive, but you'll be able to tell because you're going to see the Windows icon on the drive where it's installed. Once you've double clicked to go into the drive, what you now want to do is locate the Windows folder. It's in alphabetical order, so just scroll down to W and you should see the Windows folder. Double click to open this up, and then what you want to do is look for a folder called Software Distribution. So again, it's in alphabetical order, so just scroll down to S and you should see a folder called Software Distribution. In this next folder, what you want to do is double click onto the download folder, and this is where you're going to find all your downloaded update files. So this is going to be all the old update files. From here, all you need to do is simply click to highlight one of these folders, hold down Control and A, and that's going to select all the folders. And then what you can do is come up to the top, click the trash can icon, and what it's going to do is delete these files and send it to your recycle bin. Now some of these might ask for admin permissions, in which case just tick the box here to do this for all current items, click continue, and that's going to go ahead and delete all these files and folders and send those to your recycle bin. Once that's done, to go ahead and fully delete these from your PC, make sure to find your recycle bin on your desktop, right click onto your recycle bin, and on this menu just click onto empty recycle bin. It's going to come up with a pop-up saying, are you sure that you want to permanently delete these 86 items? Click yes, and that's going to fully delete these old update files from your Windows 11 PC. So that is how to delete old Windows Update files on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.